Hey guys, today we'll be talking about this Honda Odyssey. This one's, I believe, 2008, but they're similar certain years. So first thing first, if you want to get to your OBD port, it'll be usually located under the steering wheel. So the OBD port located right in here. To get to your first fuse box location, it will be on this side, driver's side. All you gotta do is just pull on this, and that comes off, and there's your fuses. And to look at the fuse location, they're right on the cover. So to close this, all you gotta do is lighten it up, and there you go. So to get to your second one, it'll be located on the passenger side, just like on this side, but on the opposite side. And there's actually another one under the engine as well. So once you get to your passenger side, you go here, and to open it, just like on that side, slide it off, and there's your fuses. Location's on here. It's a little bit less than the other one. To close it, all you gotta do is just line it up. That's it. To get to another one, what you want to do is open the hood. So to get to your third one, it's gonna be right in here. Location is right in here. So to close it up, you just line it up. Also, you have another one right here. You just press here and press there, and that comes off. There's your fuses and location. To open it, you have to press on this, here, and here. To close it, you just line it up. And there you go. So this will be it for this one. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And comment below if you have any questions. I'll see if I can answer them. If I can't, maybe somebody else can. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.